To access your calendar, from the home screen, swipe up to open your apps tray and go into Calendar. From here displayed is the events coming up on your calendar. You can change the view in the top left corner hitting the Options button. You can view in Schedule, Day, 3-day, week, or month viewing. You are also able to choose what calendars are displayed as well. For instance, if I select Holidays, you'll notice my calendar empties. You also have access to the calendar settings. Here you can change general settings or email settings, as well as settings for the specific calendars you have available too. Next, to add an event, select the plus button in the bottom right, then select Event. Here, input the information you need and select the Save button.
Thank you for watching. For more resources, visit sonimtech.com.